To seche ma odiochieng' ma kamano bende nitiere to wayango bende ni odiochieng' ma kawuono koro nyasi mar World International Bamboo Day. Bamboo gi dhok mar dholuo en modi kata bende yien mano mar modi ni koro nobagi e kaunti ma Migori e seche ma bende koro ber mare iwacho ni osefwenyore ahinya e kaunti nogo ma Migori. Kolose e nyasino, direkta mar lwasi e alwora to kod kedo gi midhiero e kaunti no Tom Misenya lero ni bamboo kata modi onogono en mano makelo yuto kendo koro biro loko ngima jodak ma Migori ponono ne giketo mahino e pidho bamboo kaachiel kod tiyo kode e yorno makare. Omedo ni kaunti no geto pidho tielo madirom 1.5 million mago mag yiende mago mag modi mondo mi koro gichop anena dwaro mar kwana tamala par mar alwora monego bed ni koro ipidho yiende mopogore opogore. Joma noyuoro e nyasino mane olosore kan jatend migawo mar weche mag alwora Rosemary Okelo, direkta mar chenro mar weche mag pur gi pith Daniel Nyamboka e kinde jotelo moko mathoth ahinya mane nitiere e nyasi nogono ma bende koro nobagi Migori odiochieng' ma kawuono.
Why bamboo is being promulgated in Migori County is because it's an alternative cash crop to our people. We are encouraging our farmers and everybody else to plant bamboo in even a little space in their farms. Let it be one of your cash crops because of its economic value that it has. We have learned today of the various products that the bamboo grass is able to produce, especially at the household level, even at a corporate level. We are encouraging everybody. We have seen that chairs can be made out of it. We have seen racks can be made out of it. Or blinders can be made out of it. Window blinds can be made out of it. So we are encouraging our farmers and the people of Migori to plant this valuable grass. And many other things, conservation of our riverines and all that. So we encourage everybody to plant at least a tree or two. When you cut one tree, plant 5 trees. So this is the way we are going to strategize to ensure that Migori County is covered by a larger tree cover. People that we are glad to report to you that recently the governor assented to the climate change bill, and now it's an act. We also have the Climate Change Fund Act in place, and all these policies will enable the county government to go forward in issues of climate change. As we all know and are aware of the impact of climate change in this country and even Migori County as a whole. So all this has come into play, and we want to start embarking on capacity building in our various committees at our ward levels so that everybody, even at the ward level, has knowledge about climate change and what they can do to mitigate or to adapt to this adverse issue of climate change.
But basically, we are happy because with the climate change policy being in place, and also with the act that actually supports the climate change activities, we as development actors, we are foreseeing that we are going to make a big step towards ensuring that those climate adaptation practices that actually will support the climate change issues are going to be addressed by the county with our support and joint action in climate change. But basically, if you look at the services it provides in the ecosystem, bamboo is a very key crop for the provision of soil health services, including reduction of soil erosion, which are the major impacts of impacts of climate change. And bamboo, actually, as you can be able to see, it grows throughout the year, and it brings a lot of beneficial impact, especially when it comes to we look at the socio-economic issues affecting our society.